Ryan Little.
What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good? I'm here my first video, my first banging video for my car, man. I got a 14 Honda Accord. It's a 2.4. It's an LX, but it's a 6-speed. That's all I cared about. I bought it because it's a 6-speed. It's what I preferred. I don't want that CVT stuff. Definitely didn't want that. I just bought a downpipe for it. I'm about to do the install on it just to see what's going on. I plan on doing K-tuner, getting a 2.5-inch exhaust, custom exhaust, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do the thing right, you know what I'm saying? The car is getting up there in miles. So, like I said, RV6 sent me my downpipe. I'm gonna do the install today, show you guys what to do, you know what I'm saying? Just see you guys know what it is. So, yeah, let's see how it goes. So what we doing? Seal's coming off next. Still using the 8. Just gonna get this last part off and then gonna go to the bottom. Gonna start, probably it look like 12 from up here, but I don't know yet. Might have found out on the set.
The bottom should be the same as the top.
Should be the same thing as these are. So right now I need to go down there.
Oh, we gotta
grab those bolts.
We just gotta crack those nuts.
There's 3 of them. There's one on the bracket, and then there's 2 actually connected to the wall.
Oh, gotcha.
Bro, this is
one on
so much easier. It's stupid.
Alright guys, I finished the top set, got the heat shield off. Now I'm about to go for these lower bolts down there. But I'm gonna go ahead and just raise the car up real quick. Shut up in the back. I'm just gonna go ahead and raise the car up a little bit and get to the bottom bolts. Alright, so we have 14 that we need to unbolt. 3 of them, actually. There's 3 bolts right here that we need to unbolt. So.
I don't mean stuck by not being able to get up, dog. Yeah, stuck.
Get it?
Pull it off from the bottom first.
Alright y'all, I finally took off the downpipe. It was kind of a hassle, but I got it through. All you need is a 10, a 12. The only thing that was terrible was this bracket at the bottom. The bracket at the bottom, I was holding the stock downpipe. So once you got that off, it's pretty much straightforward after that. Oh my god, I'm gonna do a turbo next year. I have to do a turbo setup next year. Turbo setup coming soon. Alright guys, so I finished the install of the downpipe onto the car. I mean, initial response, car feels good. Car feels peppy. I mean, the install first things first. The install took less than an hour to do. Other than that, the car does feel pretty good. I mean, it has a lot of rasp coming from the downpipe to the exhaust, but I'm gonna get an exhaust later on to fix that. It was definitely worth the money spent. Like I had to just follow the instructions that was given by the papers, and it was done. The kit comes with everything you need to know. I mean, it has installation tips, how to install the defouler properly with the right angles, the troubleshooting for the codes that you're gonna receive, and it just shows you everything. I mean, the kit was really well put together. I gotta thank Heel Toe for doing that. I mean, Heel Toe is where I ordered it from. Heel Toe is where I would definitely recommend ordering any parts for a Honda or Acura that they provide. But everything was well kept. Everything was put in the box properly. Everything was there. You will receive 2 check engine codes. The 2 check engine codes are only for the primary and secondary O2 sensor. I mean, once you remove those codes from either OBD scanner or from the K-Tuner app, you'll be good. So just remove those 2 codes. It's nothing to be scared of. It's nothing to go crazy about. Once you remove those 2 codes, the car will be back to normal. I mean, it's simple. And another thing is, for you guys that have iOS, if you're running on Apple's iOS system, you will not be able to use K-Tuner. K-Tuner only runs from Windows. So if you have Windows, you're all set. You already know this message. But if you have iOS, you're gonna need to download Boot Camp. Boot Camp is what I use for my computer. It's just another way of going back and forth. It gives you the ability, it's a software that gives you the ability to go back and forth between iOS and Windows. So if I wanted right now, if I wanted to use my K-Tuner and change a tune or add a tune or whatever, all I have to do is just use my computer and go back and forth between Boot Camp and iOS. So I just switched to Windows and I'm able to use it like if it was a Windows computer, but I'm still on Apple, so that'll help you guys a lot and save a lot of time. Like I said, man, overall first impression of it, it was definitely worth the price. I mean, worth the money spent. Just make sure you have your tune and everything else and the car will be fine. Alright guys, so that's all it is for this video. I just wanted to show you guys how to put on the downpipe and how I feel about it. Like I said, I love it, it's worth it. Next is gonna be exhaust and then the tune. I'm gonna get a dyno tune for the car as well, just to see what I can get. But until then, peace out and stay safe.